This old guy DIY video has to do with removing the fill plug from the rear differential in a 2001 Chevy Suburban. And I've done this in the past over the last 40 years, and generally when I would hit it with a cold chisel I could get the thing out, but in this case you can see I got a hell of a good bite with the chisel and I almost destroyed the plug and it still didn't go anywhere. So prior to hitting it with the chisel, I had put PB Blaster on it, let it sit for a day. Then the next day I came back with a torch and I counted to 60, gave it 1 minute and tried to get it out with that chisel and it didn't work. So then I went to Harbor Freight and I got this 5-piece pipe nipple extractor set, and the one that fit this is the 3/8. So I went in there and I heated the plug up in the differential with the gas, counted to 60, and then I took this nipple extractor, I just tapped it in with a hammer and then put the 5/8 socket on it, and I had to use a cheater bar, so I had about 18 inches of leverage. And I would certainly suggest you don't use a impact wrench on this particular job, because this thing will just tear out that soft plug metal. But anyway, doing it by hand with an 18-inch bar, I was able to break it loose. So that's my story for today. The tip is $9 for this Pittsburgh pipe nipple extractor set from Harbor Freight, and it gives you a fighting chance to keep these 20-year-old trucks on the road. Have a good day.